Hi, this is Jennifer Hasser with Kendor Learning, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Wordinator. Typically in schools, there's a week of studying antonyms or synonyms or homophones or heteronyms, and it's a little bit disjointed because you'll give them the pairs or talk about which ones are antonyms, which ones are synonyms. The Wordinator works a little bit differently as it works backwards. So the word pairs will be dropped into a flowchart, and the students will analyze them for their relationship, so that way they're constantly comparing different words with one another. So now we're going to practice going through a couple word examples on the Wordinator so that you'll feel more comfortable and the kids will have an opportunity to learn a bunch of new words. Okay, you'll notice on the Wordinator at the top it says word pair right below the title. Now that is where we would put in a word pair, let's say big and small, and then we would analyze it. We would follow the arrows and we would say, does it have a different spelling or the same spelling? Well, the words are big and small, so they're going to have different spellings. We're going to come down to the next two and we're going to see, is it different meaning or same meaning? Well, big and small are different meanings, so we would follow different meaning. And we come down to same sound and different sound, and they don't sound the same, so we would go with different sound, and we choose between different meaning and opposite meaning. And since they have opposite meaning, they're going to be antonyms, okay, which means anti, opposite, nym, names. Now if we had another example like make and create, we would put make and create we'd start where the word pair is. We'd say different spelling or same spelling, they're going to have a different spelling. Different meaning, same meaning, same meaning. Then we would go to same sound or different sound, and they have a different sound, so they're going to be synonyms, which means same name. So make and create are synonyms. Another example would be tail and tail. Okay, so T-A-L-E and T-A-I-L. So if we go through the Wordinator, we would have same spelling or different spelling. They're going to have a different spelling. Same meaning or different meaning. They're going to have different meanings. Same sound, we end up with a homophone, which means same sound. Then if we look at one like wind and wind, they have the same spelling. Do they have the same meaning? That would be the same word if it were wind and wind, but they have different meanings. And we look down at our different meaning, do they have different sounds or the same sound? So if they have different sounds, which they do, wind and wind, they would be called either heterophones or heteronyms. Hetero meaning different. Another example would be bark and bark. So the bark of a tree and the bark of a dog. We'd have the same spelling, different meaning, same sound. So we'd have a homograph, which means they're written the same way. So homo meaning same and graph meaning writing. So this way, what kids will be doing is they will be looking at the word pairs for their individual attributes. They may have to look them up in the dictionary to find out what the words mean. You can write the words up on the board. You can type them out on a homework sheet if you want them to do this at home. They could have the Wordinator as a master. I usually put mine in sheet protectors and have them, so they can put them in a three-hole binder, three-hole punch in the binder. And that way they can have it as a reference because you'll have Wordinator lists all the way through the curriculum. Okay, so I hope you guys have fun with the Wordinator.